Hey, Dan Passarelli here. Well, we had a little bit of a down day, but not too much in the S&P 500, down 0.7% on banking worries. And I was looking at the chart a little earlier today in a class that I was teaching, and I took notice that if we look at the yearly chart of the S&P 500, in fact, here, hold on a second, I have got to get to the year chart. Oh, I am on the year chart. So we're looking at, we've just bounced off a pretty strong resistance level, and we're coming down to the 50-day moving average, which is a strong support level, and that's a strong support level right around the 400 area as well, 402 area and then 400 area. So we've basically been in this pretty tight range for about a month. Now, the historical volatility just about a week and a half ago hit the lowest that we've seen in a year, and it recovered a bit from that, but it's still in the lowest percentile, of the last year. And so what that means is we haven't really been seeing a lot of action, is exactly what I just talked about in my last class. So that's a little bit surprising because we've got this thing with the banking. We've got a great deal of unanswered questions about the future of interest rates, where that was a pretty a pretty anticipated thing for the past year. There's pretty telegraphed by the Fed that they were going to keep raising rates. Now there's a great deal of uncertainty. Will they be cut? Will they stay the same? Will they go up? And we really don't know. And so I think it's likely that we have a good chance of breaking out of the range that we're in. Now, how do we play that? With the VIX at 20, options being priced well over historical volatility. It's a little expensive to buy straddles right now, so what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to wait. We're going to have to do what I like to call a non-committal straddle, which is when you wait until you get the breakout, and then you buy. If it breaks out to the upside, you buy the call in that direction. If it breaks out to the downside, you buy the put in that direction, or some other type of directional strategy aside from just buying the outright call or outright put. So I hope that helps. This is Dan Passarelli. Trade smart.